Hello everyone, today we will be playing Scratch, and in this video we will be doing, we will not be coding, I'll actually be showing all of my games I've ever made. We're going to start with the worst ones, and you can already see, this game is called Cheese Chase, and it looks, pretty bad. And this game was also made on the Scratch, so I kind of copied it to get learning it, but I failed terribly, and it looks terrible. So let's play it. So basically you're a mouse, and you gotta get the cheese, and you run upwards very fast for some reason. And then there's a ghost that appears and tries to get you. So yeah. And then also, the walls are very broken, so, and the beetles do nothing, so it's a very well made game, as you can tell. You just hack through the walls there, and then I've gotten stuck. This game is very bad. So then, as you can see, if the ghost comes, is the ghost even gonna get me? Because the ghost also appears and then disappears after a while. But oh, the ghost just didn't get me. Ha ha ha. But I'm stuck, and this music plays forever, and it's super annoying. And then if the ghost gets you, it says that. So yay. Yeah, that's probably my worst game. So now we're gonna go to my next game. I think is gonna be, let's see, I think this one. So this one is this was a little bit better, but there's also this Scratch creator called Warfame, and I was copying his stuff for a while, kind of learning how to do it. So this is kind of his game, it's not really mine. So if you click the tree, you get apple found. And honestly, I have not played any of these games in a very long time, so I don't really know how this works. You can also, so it's gonna kind of be new for me too. So you can also kind of explore from side to side. I think there's like some shop people here, yeah. So you can sell an apple for coin, and then you got some gold. And let's go do the apple tree again. Get an apple. And back here, I think you have to click. There we go. And then you have to go back to the tree, get another apple, and then get the coin again, and then we can get the axe, and then we go, I think it's over here, we go all the way over here, and then I think you just chop down these trees by just clicking on them, and then you get key, and then it's kind of like a story game. And then you go through the door, and there's nothing in here because I never finished this game. So, but yeah, I thought it was a cool concept. I might finish it and make it better because it doesn't look too good now. But yeah. So my next game, I think it's this one. So let's get into it. Oh, I think I hit the wrong button. So yeah, as you can see, my code in the past was very messy, and yeah. This is kind of a comedy game. My dad helped me with this because I don't understand comedy. so basically, I also sped this up very fast. So here, I'm just gonna stop it right now. So basically, I sped it up really fast just so you could see the waves. So you could see the end. So basically, I made the waves go by really fast. So you discovered a vaccine, and then once you discover a vaccine, next wave starts, and then they start moving super fast, but then the wave completes really quickly because I set it to do that. And you get bleach. Ooh, what's this? Also, the wave system is broken. It's not wave 5, it's wave 3. So, and then, oh, it's Donald Trump. So then you gotta feed him some bleach.
Disinfectant. Disinfectant.
And then, once you give him enough disinfectant, he'll ask for the vaccine. And then you give him the vaccine.
Thank you very much. That's really nice.
Thank you. He's happy, and then he leaves. Yeah. Yeah, this game was kind of ridiculous when I made it. So yeah, that's that game. That was kind of a joke game. I think the next one was this one. This one's actually a pretty good game. It's called Super Runner. So basically, what you do is it's basically like one of those games where you kind of go through a bunch of levels, like a platformer game, I think it's called, yeah. And then this starts getting moving platforms, and I think this game is actually pretty good. I would continue it, but I kind of ran out of ideas. I think there's 10 levels. Ooh. And then also, I think at level 6 here, yeah, it zooms out, which I think is pretty cool. And then you jump over here. And then there's this level. And then I think the next level, there's also a glitch here. I have no idea how to fix that. And then over here, there's this like on and off one, which is kind of cool. No. But yeah, there's 10 levels, but you get the idea. So we'll move on to the next game, because we need to get through all of these. Next game, I think this one. This one isn't that good. I made it just for like a quick one. It's actually kind of fun though, because it's like the perfect amount of difficulty. So basically, you start out dodging these bombs. And then once it starts getting faster and faster, and I think you need to get to 50 points. And when you get to 50, it's like super fast, so it's like the perfect amount of difficulty. Which is kind of sad considering it literally took me probably about 10 minutes to make this game. Like, it's not too hard, but then it starts getting very difficult very fast. So, you just gotta get to 50, see it's already getting pretty fast. Oh, hello? It's not that, like, hard, or it's not that intense, but like, you're just moving back and forth, but it does get pretty hard. So yeah, and it's like, it is pretty good amount of difficulty. So that's that one, it's pretty simple. Oh, my next game was, I think this one. This game was also from the creator Warframe, but I remixed it and added a bunch of stuff, so I think this is one of the games that I built the longest. So, okay, okay, there we go. Takes a long time to load because it took me a very long time. Basically, play, and you get to choose a map. I'll just do this one. So then you get this kind of cool thing. There's like wave messages. And you got these things. It's kind of like an underwater theme. And you do that, and you got this. You got a turret that goes through all these. And you also have this book which like tells you the names of all these, which is kind of cool. And yeah, it's gonna probably takes you about 40 minutes to complete this game. There's also a few bugs, as you can see. I don't know why that happened. But yeah, that's that game. If you want to see a little bit more of it, maybe I'll play some more of it if you guys want to see that. But yeah, that's a long game, so I'm not gonna play it. Next game I think was Boss Hunters. This game's kind of cool. It's kind of, it has like a simple art style. It's not that advanced, but so basically you have all these different bosses. I'll just start with the knife one. I mean, I might do multiple of these. So basically you have to. So basically they go through a series of attacks, and you gotta shoot them and kill them, and then this like spins, and there's a lot of different attacks. It was fun to make too, because I got to make like the boss's AI and stuff. And this one's obviously difficulty. It said 2 stars, I think, so it's not that hard. Then there's the spike ball one, and this one's a little bit harder. Forgot how these work, so I think yeah, this one you go around, and then I think he kind of moves from side to side. You also have 3 health. This one's kind of hard because you have to like dodge these and. Okay, and then there's like homing ones too, which are annoying. Ooh, oh no, I got hit, so I think I won't do the snowman one, or actually I will, because it's kind of cool. But I might have to mess around with the code to be able to unlock it. This one's actually pretty hard though. No. Okay, good, I defeated it with 1 heart left. And then I'll skip the tree one. It's kind of I think it's the last one I made, so it wasn't. This one's, it's actually not super hard, but it's just like, obviously, I think it's meant to be a bullet. So obviously it's moving really fast. And then this part's pretty hard, because it's moving, and then there's bullets coming in from the sides. But I think it's kind of like a intense boss battle, it's kind of cool. Ooh. And the thing is, the bullet doesn't have much health, but obviously it's pretty hard here. Then it goes up here, and then rains bullets. And then it goes off to the side and repeats it. I'm gonna try to kill it here. Oh, come on. Okay, I should be able to defeat it right there. The best times to shoot it are kind of when it's like just sitting there. And then go to the tree one. Oh, I forgot. This guy has a lot of health, annoyingly. So this one's kind of funny because it just drops leaves. And I forgot what else it does. It does some other stuff. Oh yeah, it does this, which is pretty crazy. Some people find this really hard. I don't think it's too hard. Also, I just realized you could probably go up to the corners and not die. So this one isn't too hard, but it does have a lot of health, so. And it's... Uh-oh. Okay. I killed it. So there we go. That's that one. And then the snowman gets unlocked. And this one's just, like, pretty hard, because it has 100 health, first of all. And its attacks are pretty hard. That one's not too bad. This one's pretty annoying. And then this one starts going while this one's going, and then this just becomes super hard. And then you have to go through that like 3 times, and its arms come off, which I thought was pretty clever when I made it. And then I think it repeats. So I'm not gonna try to defeat that, but yeah, that was, I probably spent a little too long on that. But I thought that was pretty cool. Next game, I think I'll do this one. This one's sort of similar to the other one the one I just played. It has like levels and stuff, but this one's kind of cool. So it's just kind of a rocket ship going through all these stages, and I kind of wanted to continue this game because it's kind of a cool idea. And then there's like these moving walls, you have to dodge them. It's not too hard, but you'll see that it gets a lot harder. So I think that's it there. And there's a little, you can play the level sign. And I'm going to do level 8. Level 8 might not actually be finished. Let's see. So this blocks off a lot of the levels, so that makes it a lot harder. And I don't think I ever finished this level, so let's do level 7. This one should actually be completable. There we go. So as you can see, it got a lot harder. They're a lot faster. And some of the levels also have a bunch of them going at the same time. I think this one just has constant things going on everywhere. I'll go to level 6. I think that one has a bunch of them that go at the same time. Or maybe level 5. I forgot which one. Yeah, you kind of just go in the same pattern. So this one's actually not super hard. And there we go. I'm gonna do level 6. So I think this wall thing. Whoa, what was that? I think that was not supposed to be in the game. Yeah, that's a bug. Okay, I think 5 was the one that was hard. I'm not sure. Oh, I think this is the one where it starts out super easy and then it gets a lot harder. I haven't made this game in a while, so I kind of forgot what happened. And you go through here, and all the walls are the same speed, I think. So yeah, see, there's one that came at the same time, and I think one of them has 3 walls coming at the same time, which is really hard. And there's 2, and there's the 3. Oh, I did it! Wow. Yep, there he is. So that's that game. I thought that was a pretty good game. And now we're getting to some of my most recent ones. I forgot where that is. Oh yeah, I think that's when I just stopped making games for a while. And then this one, oh, that's the wrong game. Stop. So recently, my most recent game, I'm not sure if it's the best one I've ever made because I haven't spent too much time on it. But basically, I gave myself a lot of money. I'm gonna get rid of this. There. So basically, this is like a factory game. You have this little clicker here, which you can create donuts, and then it goes into the money. And then there's a big amount of stuff in the shop, so you can buy workers, and then they have this, and they get created. And then you can add frosting and sprinkles, so when they go through the machines, they get frosting and sprinkles. And then you can get 2 donuts, so every time you do this, you get 2. It's kind of hard to tell because there's other stuff going on, but yeah, there's 2. And then Long Johns, you get that. Then this is the new conveyor and upgrades, so if you see, watch, once I buy this, sorry about that little glitch, by the way, there, that I don't really know how to fix that. So this conveyor shows up, and then so you can get faster conveyors, chocolate. You can get these mega workers, and might as well get all these other workers. And then there we go. You got this really. You got I like the fast conveyor because it's ridiculously quick. And then you make money like 1,000 a second. I'd say you make it really fast. But yeah, I thought this is a pretty good game. It's more of like not an action-paced game. It's just kind of like a more relaxing one. So yeah, that's all my games. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!